pain in the dick.
We couldn't really crack on this weekend. We're up to Goulburn Friday evening for an early Saturday morning start because we're picking up a tractor. We got up early and got to the farm before sunrise so we can get our transport chain, then head back into town to get the car trailer we hired. When we got to the farm, we were like, "Ugh, what a bugger, what a pain." It must have been windy during the week and the cover for the greenhouse had slipped from under the bird netting, got away and wrapped around a tree. Thankfully it didn't go far and was still on the property.
Oh, I wonder where the cows are.
I don't know.
Probably still asleep in the trees.
You know, cows don't live in trees.
There was no time to fix it, so we headed back into town, hooked up the trailer and drove off to Canberra. I'd never towed this much before, but it didn't end up being a big deal. When we got to Paul's place, he had the tractor out and ready, so we started loading up the implements behind the padge. Andrew arrived shortly after us, and we loaded up the tractor behind his car. We got to the farm and unloaded the tractor, then used it to unload the implements. We then loaded up the little tractor so Andrew could take it back to his place.
Yay!
I moved a bunch of dirt up behind it to act as a windbreak. Most of the wind comes from behind, so hopefully it won't get under it and bolt away. Again.
Oh.
The greenhouse has been a small thorn in our side. In our last effort to make it all work, before we abandoned it, we put eyelets through the bottom of the cover and sewed it onto the frame using paracord. The frame is well anchored to the ground and the cover is reinforced, so hopefully the holes won't tear out and everything will be cool.